The new KYC re-registration steps, for Airtel Nigeria, involve verification of the National Identification Number (NIN) of the customer, in adherence to regulatory requirements. Let's look at what this process entails. Log in into the KYC app. Select KYC registration. Select registration type, that is re-registration, and nationality type. Enter and verify the phone number. Enter the 6 digits OTP received to validate. Tap the next button to continue. Now, enter the national identification number of the customer, and fill in their other details. Select the state, and LGA. Tap to continue. Connect with biometric device and capture customer's fingerprints. Tick the box, and tap continue. You shall receive a pop-up prompt message. Check the box and click send. You shall receive the following on your screen.